Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode what we're going to do is we're going to give the little Fiesta a full exterior and interior detail. Now as you can tell, the car's not actually that dirty on the outside. It's actually in quite good condition, but it's absolutely covered in microfine scratching. So what we're going to do, give the car a wash, get it back into the garage, full machine polish, ceramic coat it, we'll be good to go, and then we'll focus on the interior. And today my 6-year-old is going to give me a hand cleaning the outside of the car. Say hello, Rory.
Hello.
So he's going to be either the cameraman or he's going to be the power washer. I'm not really sure which yet. So with that, let's go on with it. Get this car nice and clean. Tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, she cleans up a treat. The wheels almost look like new now. Absolutely, well, apart from the horrendous curb rash, the cut in the tyre, and the fact I can't get a locking wheel nut key. But other than that, they look amazing. So with that, let's get her back into the garage and get her dried. I'm obviously going to clean up the mess I've now made outside. So I'll see you guys in the garage. And just like that, we're back in the garage. But before we dry it, what we're going to do is get all this stuff off of the windscreen, and what we're going to use for that is just some panel wipe. You'll need to believe me, that's panel wipe, but it is, and a microfiber towel, and it should remove that no bother at all. Right, so it's now the next day because we ran out of time yesterday and my son's not here anymore. So what we're going to do now, we're going to clay bar the entire car, machine polish the entire car, and then protect the entire car, all the paintwork. And then we're going to move to the inside. But before we do, look at how bad the swirl marking is in that paint. Oi, oi, oi. But it's fine, we can fix that, we just need to pick the right weapon for the job. So, once we've clay barred the paintwork, we're going to use One and Done Compound by Turtle Wax. This stuff is absolutely awesome, highly recommend it. We're going to use a fine Rupes compounding pad, and that should remove pretty much all the scratching and swirl marking from the paint. And then we're going to use Autogloom's high definition ceramic coating to finish the paintwork off. So with that, let's get on with it. Right, so now the car's completely clay barred. One thing that I forgot to do was I forgot to put the new keys inside them. So while the car's drying, let's get on with that. Right, so now the car's fully machine polished, what I was going to do was panel wipe it and then apply the ceramic coating. But we got a little bit of snow in central Scotland over the last couple of days. And it's just a little bit too cold to ceramic coat right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to detail the engine bay instead. So let's get on with that just now. Well, that's looking much better. Really quite happy with how that turned out. Now, it wasn't a full detail, obviously. You didn't see me using a power washer. I just used all-purpose cleaner and a brush, and then 303 protecting just to seal all the plastic. But looking considerably better. Right, so that's going to be it for this week's episode, guys. In next week's episode, what we're going to do, hopefully if the weather gets a bit warmer, is we're going to panel wipe the outside, ceramic coat all the paint, and then move to the interior and give it a proper detailing because it is a bit filthy. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button for me. It's down there. That'd be awesome. And if you can leave a thumbs up on the video, that would be awesome as well. But I hope everybody's keeping well. I hope everybody's keeping safe. I'm now going to go and shovel some snow so I can move some cars around. But until next week's video, guys, peace.